Alright, I'm back with part 2 of my equipment update. My phone shut me down prematurely before I could finish this, but one thing I definitely want to do is, either try to fix up this old bean head, or look for another one and use this one for parts. Because there's still some stuff for parts, like these supports, these mounts for the hydraulic cylinders. Yeah, there's still some good stuff on this, and like this lighting right here, it's still good. Yeah, it'd be nice to get this old car running again. And I got Grandpa who could weld this up, this rotted part right there. Get a good thick piece of sheet metal and run it and weld it to the machine where I could get that taken care of. And I tried jacking it up so it'd be level, but it didn't work because the ground's too soft. Yeah, there's still some playing the thrashing cylinder, so that's still good. You get some real rasp bars. So you put that where the spike tooths, we go and remove the spike teeth. And my window cleaning job is still holding up well. Yeah. Last thing to do once I get this old girl running is get her some new tires. Actually, it actually would be in the middle of the list. Yeah, I'd like to get it running first. You know, do the mechanical restore the mechanical bits first, then worry about the cosmetic stuff. You know, it's paint. These could take a long time and be pretty expensive due to a full-on paint job. So I'm just gonna focus on the mechanical side of the combine and all the other equipment. Yeah. Worry about the cosmetics later. Alright, everybody. Oh yeah. And hopefully the motor rebuild won't go too bad. Yeah, I'm hoping about that. And I have one quick question. A couple weeks ago, well, actually more like a couple months ago, I was checking to see if there's still any fluid in the hydraulic reservoir. And I lost the cap for this, so I had to shove a stick in there to keep the elements out of it. And yeah, I lost the cap in there. I was wondering what size bolt I could put in there to as a new drain plug. And this drain plug, I tried to get it loosened up, but it was put on with Loctite. Yeah. So I might put a hair dryer on it for a couple hours to get her to loosen up, or a heat gun. Alright, everybody, if you like what you see, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more content, and please subscribe. It'll really help the channel out.